Nengeri nno byabaka majali mu kwesindika mu yeraliikiriza. The man can kwesindika these days. Ngayogera bitakwatagana. Mande to Sunday ali mu kwogera bitakwatagana. Byabaka mana kugoba tata, ana kugoba who is chasing you. Byabaka ma. These days nga wesindika nnyo mukwano. Oh. Banange you can talk rubbish. Ho? Byabaka mana kusindika ana kugoba. Who is chasing you? Ana kutadde ku bunkenke byabaka. Nga you are driving us crazy. Ngotuvuga speed. Ngotuvuga kiralu mukulu kiki. Oyagala tulowooza nti kati gwafuusa amateeka g'ebyokulonda. Being electoral commissioner, it does not mean that you are the laws on electoral process. Nti gwe mateeka gakola ku byokulonda. Simon byabakama. Wewe umuze kati nawe totufuukira nnyo nnyo zike mwana. Bannange. What is it? The man can kwesindika, the man can talk, the man can speak ebitakwatagana. What is it? What's wrong with you, Mr. Byabakama? By the way, byogera fete tubiwulira. We don't even want to listen to you because you are talking bio. No sense. Temuli magezi. Okitegeera. Kati wefuulidde ddala nti gwe mateeka ga byakulonda togambwako. N'antagambwako. N'antanenyezebwa. Otulumiridde olinga agamba nti tuli baana bo. Yeah. Since when nga byabakama? You care so much to Ugandans. Since when? If you care so much to Ugandans, just do the right thing. If you care so much to Uganda and Ugandans and you feel sorry for them and you care for them, do the right thing. Do as the law says. But stop this. Talking is not doing anything. Just do the action. Because you are speaking another thing and the law speaks another thing and your action is another thing. So what are you trying to insinuate here, Mr. Byabakama? Why are you driving us crazy? Please, Mr. Byabakama. We are on gear 50. You are driving us on gear 100. Can you please calm down? Mr. Byabakama, calm down, no. Calm down, no, please. Hey. Omusajja atuvuga speed. What is going on in this man? Mr. Byabakama, who is chasing you? We don't understand. Now, are you the laws? Are you the laws of Uganda? Gwe mateeka g'ebyokulonda. Huh? Since when nga gwe mateeka ga byakulonda Simon Byabakama? Amateeka yagavaako dda akola byayagala and he want us to believe in him. And he want us to trust in him. We cannot. You have lost the trust of Ugandans. You are incompetent, as Sarah Birete said. You are incompetent and you are the incompetent electoral commissioner we have ever had in Uganda. You are the most incompetent electoral commissioner we have ever had in the history of Uganda. Gwe electoral commissioner kyasinza okubeera incompetent in the book of history in Uganda. No one will be incompetent like you, Simon Byabakama. Even Badri Chugundu was better. Though was a thief. But you are a thefter. Byabakama, you are a thefter. You are not even a thief. Hey! Byabakama. For us, we are going in protest votes. So ina kyotugambayo. Just calm down. Do your work as the constitution says. Do as the law says. Do the right thing if you care so much to Ugandans. But if not, just do your boss's work and leave us alone. We will handle. We will handle ourselves. Don't pretend that you care so much. You talk as if you care, but your action shows that you don't care at all. Stop that hypocrisy. Talking as if you care so much, but on another hand, you are doing another thing. And you are the one who is going to burn Uganda down. You are the one to save Uganda or to ban it. And history will write on you. You have done a lot in these elections. You have done a lot of rubbish in these elections. But you want us to believe you if you can even register a 2-month baby. A 2-month baby. Simon Byabakama, come on. Come on, please. Mr. Simon Byabakama. The injustice Simon Byabakama. Please come on. Hey.